Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to try to fix this mirror. The light on it is really dim. So there's either one or two bulbs in here that are out. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright guys, make sure you unplug this, and there's two screws on either side of this. Okay, so we're just going to take those off. Lay it down flat, and we're going to take these screws off. All right, once the screws are off, this just pops up. All right, that's your bulb. So this is the bulb you need. Okay. All right, guys, this is the bulb I got from Amazon. It was $6. So let's put this in. Now the bulb that came in it has a lifetime warranty. I emailed them and they wanted $5 for shipping and handling. So it was so much easier just to get it from Amazon. So all we gotta do is screw that in, put this back in, and then put the screws back on, and you're all set to go. Okay, let's try it out. Wow, look at that, nice and bright. Now you can put your makeup on. Hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.